How to upload PDFs to Gemini. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Gemini. Then go to the official website of Gemini and make sure that you have logged into it. At the bottom left, you'll see setting your icon. From there, select extension and make sure that Google Workspace is toggled on. Then go through your drive and make sure that you have uploaded your PDF over here. Once you upload it in your drive, go through the Gemini again and there type @ and select Google Docs and type summarize this PDF. Then Gemini will summarize your PDF. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.